Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel Handsome Archer Gaming. So guys, today we are gonna play PUBG. Sorry, not PUBG Mobile. We are gonna play Fortnite with my friends Faris and Farisdani.
Hi guys.
So let's get started. Faris and Farisdani, let's get ready. I'm ready.
Okay.
Faris, get ready. Dani, please get ready.
Change
Okay.
your skin.
You're saying to me,
Change your skin.
skin. Let me change. Which one is better? I think so. This one is better. I will choose this one. Confirm. Is it changed now?
You only have one skin, I think. No, three skins.
No. I changed my skin from the locker, but I don't know why it is not changed at my lobby.
I don't know. I really didn't do save an episode.
I did it save.
Just leave about that. Leave it.
Okay. So where to go now?
Wait, let it come. It's loading.
Okay. I think so. If bus is going, so we should go to Frenzy Farm or Lazy Lakes.
Mine didn't come out.
Oh my god. One anonymous person is also in our squad.
Oh, you didn't do that. Bronze. Didn't do bronze.
No, you are party leader. I'm not.
Yeah, I forgot. Leave it. It's okay.
We will throw grenade on him.
He will not die. He will not
No,
die.
no. Let's go to Frenzy
Frenzy? Okay, frenzy.
because Lazy Lakes is too far from the bus.
But you always go to Lazy Lake, so I thought.
But Lazy Lakes is too far. So that's why let's go to
No,
Frenzy.
let's go to the secret boat right there.
No. I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there. I don't like that place.
Why there is such a good loot?
No, I don't like that place, dude. I'm going to jump. 3, 2, 1. Bye bye. Guys, those who thought that today we will take Victory Royale, link below. Sorry, not link below. Comment it down and subscribe to my channel and like this video as well and share it with your friends also. Thank you. I saw an enemy. I saw an.
There are like thousands of enemies are coming.
Halli walli, we will kill all of them.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Oh, I saw the gun. Sorry, I don't saw the gun. I found the gun. Not
I
saw.
saw the gun.
I saw means I saw the gun, but I don't take it.
Oh, blue chest, king chest, I mean.
Oh, king chest.
Oh my god, no!
What happened?
Let me!
I'm coming, my friend. I'm
I
coming.
didn't see that
Don't you
guy.
worry. Don't you worry. I'm coming.
Hunting rifle.
You are.
Be careful, he's attacked.
Where are you?
He is attacked. They're like in the first floor.
Over here. Oh my God! Someone is shooting.
Leave him.
Okay, I should leave him. No,
And
okay,
so
I
then-
collected your reboot card. Okay,
Go and reboot me.
okay, wait for a while. I saw enemy.
Run.
I'm killing him. I'm killing him.
Bot.
Yeah, I killed him. I killed Mr. Hot Dog. You know what's his name? Mr. Hot Dog. Okay. Mr. Hot Dog
Daniel is going
is
to
killed.
reboot me. Daniel is going to reboot me.
Dani, go and reboot him.
Daniel, give me the charge shotgun. My hunting rifle.
Okay, I saw an enemy.
And give me the
I
ammo
killed him.
too.
I killed him.
Only shotgun. Fine. Leave him. Do you like charge shotgun?
I don't need it. Uh, I saw my teammate and I thought that it is enemy. Did all enemies are finished? No, not yet. But soon. But not soon. But soon. I think someone is shooting me. At 3:30. Okay, I saw him. I will finish him in maximum 13 minutes. Oh, Dani killed him. Nice, Dani. Excellent work. Faris. Oh, nice, Dani. Excellent work. Somebody is also over there. I'm going to rush. Faris. Faris. I think he can't listen me. Faris,
Hello.
guess what happened? I can't listen to you.
I don't know. I think my mic was unplugging.
Muted? Oh, nice. Our team killed 10 people.
How many kills?
I'll have 2 kills. And
too.
you? And what about you?
Me too.
Okay. So we both have 4 kills total.
Daniel has 5 kills.
5 kills, oh my god. It's too much.
I only get 2 guns.
You need one tactical?
No.
Okay.
I only got hunting rifle and charged shotgun.
In the next match, we will take out this player. I'm taking the fishing rod. Because you know why I'm taking fishing rod.
Yeah, I know. If you...
Oh, I found a chest. Oh my god, who robbed me? Faris, you robbed me.
I didn't take it.
Thank you, my friend. Thank
I
you.
was not here. I was not there. See, I was not there.
Okay.
I'm miles away from you.
No, you was there, and you put the jumping pad and came here.
Let's go to circle.
Okay, let's go.
These are kind of good.
Yeah. Oh.
Are you ammo stealer?
I didn't steal any ammos.
But
It was empty. Yeah.
Let's go there. Dani, come over here. Where are you? Okay, come here.
Oh, Allahu Akbar.
What happened?
Faris, please remove the marker.
Why?
It's disturbing me.
It's only for 2 minutes.
Okay.
There is a small sleep potion.
I don't need that.
Just drink it.
Okay, then give me, where is it? I also found it one.
You don't have a sheep.
I take it.
Take it or drink it. Does anyone need a tack?
What?
Tack shotgun?
Tactical?
Yeah.
Yeah, in which color?
Green.
Oh, I already have green.
If it was purple or red, golden, why I will tell you.
Haha.
Daniel found the king chest and he got that burst I don't know what it called. Burst gun in purple.
Okay.
I
I
didn't
also
even-
saw one chest, but I don't think so. It is golden. Sorry, blue. Not golden, blue. Okay, I'll have this gun. So let's go now.
Sometime from normal chest we can go like.
You know, sometimes we get bakwas things, useless things, things
Come on,
from the chip. From oh my god, I need the revive. I fell from the high place.
I will not revive you. Come on, let's go to the long drive.
First revive me.
Let's go to the long drive.
Fire is first revive me.
Okay, 1 minute.
Nobody will shoot us. First give me revive, then do chug splashes.
What was that?
I thought enemy was there. Thank you. I'll have shield potion.
There's a
Dani,
chance-
please give me medkit. I need a
No,
medkit.
no, Azan, come here, come here. Azan,
Okay.
come here. There's a flopper, there's a flopper you can eat.
What is flopper?
You don't have flopper?
No.
This and this.
Oh,
Eat those.
let me eat them.
I don't have any long. I mean short range.
Forest. Let's go from here. Forest. What's happening? Can you listen me? Forest. I don't know why he is not able to listen me.
Come
Hello?
shoot me.
Hello?
Sorry, I go to the kitchen.
Okay, no
Hey,
problem.
collect this.
I don't need that. Somebody is shooting. I'm going to rush.
Someone is shooting?
Yeah.
Wait.
See, here he is. I killed him. Don't do this next time.
Why? I'm a shot.
No, I didn't. I'm not saying to you.
And there is a person. There's a person.
Faris,
Yeah.
my friend will play the next match.
Okay. Then there will be there's someone. Oh, there's 2 people, 3 people.
Okay,
Three people.
I'm coming there. I'm coming there. Calm down.
Oh, they're pro. Bismillah.
Hayu Allah, Hakku Allah.
Just rush.
Attack.
Rush.
We should attack them.
They're running.
Okay.
my God.
Does anybody have sniper?
I have hunting rifle.
Yeah, we need sniper, bro.
It is
Dani,
kind of
first heal yourself.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. They killed you. And Dani
We are
as well.
dead. We are all dead.
Okay, let me see them first.
Leave the game. We will not able. Bye.
I killed him. Oh my god! What the hell is this? So guys, that's it for today's our video. Next time, inshallah, next time we will meet you in the next gameplay. Take care, tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.